Hello everyone, welcome to another math online lesson. Our lesson for today is transform a statement into its equivalent if-then statement. Now let's try to recall our topic last time in determining the conclusion and the hypothesis of a certain conditional statement. Now we all know that the conditional statement composed of two parts, right? We have the hypothesis, we have the conclusion. And a conditional statement is a logical type of statement that has two parts, the hypothesis and the conclusion. And it's written in the form of if-then format, like this. If hypothesis, then conclusion. We also know that the hypothesis, it states the given facts that are assumed to be true. The conclusion, what needs to be proven or established. And the implication, this is the statement formed by hypothesis and conclusion in a format of if P, then Q, or P implies Q. Now let's have an activity. Let us try to rewrite the following statement in if-then statement or its equivalent if-then statement. Then let's identify the hypothesis and conclusion. So I have a statement here. An honest student is loved by his teacher. Now, how do we rewrite this statement into an if-then statement? The first thing you need to do is to identify the linking verb of the given statement. So what do you think is our linking verb on this statement? Correct. Our linking verb here is is. Now, to rewrite this one into an if-then statement, our implication statement will be if a student is honest, then he is loved by his teacher. And our hypothesis here, again, right after the if word, followed by our hypothesis, which is the a student is honest. And of course, the conclusion, that would be the statement after the then word, which is he is loved by his teachers. Let us try to have another example. A quadrilateral has four sides. Again, let's try to rewrite this one in its equivalent if-then statement. Again, the first technique or the first step that you need to do is to identify the linking verb. For this statement, our linking verb is has. Now to rewrite this one, we can say that if it is a quadrilateral, then it has four sides. So our hypothesis here, again, this is the statement after the if word. It is a quadrilateral. And the conclusion, again, this is the statement after the then word. It has four sides. Another example. A left-handed people are male. Again, let's identify our linking verb, which is are. Now from here, we can rewrite this statement into its if-then form as if a person is left-handed, then he is a male. Our hypothesis here is a person is left-handed, and our conclusion, he is a male. Now, what if our given statement does not have any linking verb? How do we convert this one into its equivalent if-then form? Now, if the statement does not have any linking verb, all we need to do is to separate the statement into two parts, because we all know that in an if-then statement, um, it is composed of a hypothesis, which states the given facts or that assumed to be true, and the conclusion. So from here, we can divide this one into two. I can say that a right angle measures 90 degrees. Now from here, we can write our implication or our if-then statement as, if it is a right angle, then it measures 90 degrees. Wherein our hypothesis, it is a right angle, and our conclusion, it measures 90 degrees. So that's all for our lesson today in transforming a statement into its equivalent if-then form. I hope you learned something today. Again, please remember to transform a statement into an if-then form. First, you need to identify the linking verb. And if it does not have any linking verb, all you need to do is to separate the statement into two parts. Again, thank you and see you on my next online lesson.